In this video, I have 10 videos of various kinds, some CCTV, some dash cam footage, some body-worn camera footage, that are all from one incident, and I need to redact license plates and faces from all of them. I'm going to use my predefined template, which I'll attach to this video, and then I'm going to run AI redaction on all of them. In under 10 minutes, I can have them all redacted, and all I need to do is review. First thing I'm going to do is I can come up here, click Tools, List Manager, and click Automatic Detection Templates. Here I can see all of the templates I have that allow me to redact in just one click without having to set any of my parameters. If I want to redact a ton of files all at once, I can come up here and click Bulk Processing. My files are all security footage, body-worn camera footage, CCTV videos, so I'm going to click Video, and Next. Down here, where it says Load Template, I'm going to click it and select the template that I want, which is faces and license plates, because that's what's included in all my videos. Here I'm going to add all the files that I need redacted. I have about 10 here. I'm just going to go ahead and select all of them, and then click Open. Now they're all in CaseGuard right away. I can just click Next. Here is going to be my summary. I can change anything if I need to by clicking Edit, change my files by clicking Edit, and then I'm going to apply. Now you can see that all of my files that I uploaded have been fully redacted and exported. If I come over here and click on one, I can play it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Officer Petlett, Kingston Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you going 69 miles per hour, the supposed speed limit's 55.
Yes, sir.
Right, give me just a second.
And I can see that the license plates and the faces have been redacted from it. Now if I click on the exported version right below it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Officer Petlett, Kingston Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you going 69 miles per hour, the supposed speed limit's 55.
Yes, sir.
Right, give me just a second.
It's the same way. If I want to go in my project files, I can see all of the videos, original versions, as well as their redacted versions. That's an easy way to upload a ton of videos at once and set them all up for redaction without even having to specify your redaction parameters. You can just save them as a template in a project that you do beforehand, and that way you never have to go in and specify every little detail. You can upload all of these at once, have them redacted. It only takes a few minutes. Hope you enjoyed.